Liebherr has been crafting the world's finest refrigerators for more than 65 years. And when you do something for that long, you get good at it. Really good. Liebherr, the German refrigeration and preservation experts, now introduce the EasyFresh technology. When it comes to freshness, it's not just temperature. Humidity also plays a vital role in preserving freshness in food. New EasyFresh technology offers optimum temperature and humidity to food to keep your food fresher for longer. It also offers separate storage space for leafy and hard vegetables with high and low humidity mode adjustments. So with EasyFresh technology, fruits and vegetables enjoy a longer life. The technology also has many more features that food will fall in love with. Duo cooling technology to prevent air exchange and odor transfer. FreshBox to preserve non-veg food items. Ice Cream Box keeps ice cream fresh without frost. VarioBox is ideal for storing cosmetics and small items. FlexiDrawer offers a flexible storage space for delicate products. Mooncut toughened glass shelves offer easy adjustment of shelves without removing items out of the fridge. Spice boxes prevent aroma transfer and keep it fresher for longer. Flipbox, a special space in the freezer for dry fruits. Unique Cool Pack with bottle holder design. The new Digital Touch user interface helps manage your appliance without opening its doors. Holiday mode reduces energy consumption. Superfrost saves energy by freezing food quickly. Super cool for rapidly cooling freshly stored food. Experience the unique EasyFresh technology by Liebherr. Love food, love Liebherr. Liebherr, perfecting preservation since 1954.